This is Rishabh, and this is Automate.social. So, as we all know, that social media is an important part of our lives. We use it to run our business, we use it to share our thoughts, but we also know that spending a lot of time on social media may affect our mental health badly. So, to solve that problem, we thought of a place where you can manage all your social media handles, let it be with Twitter, Instagram, or Discord, so that you don't have to open that extra tab on your browser just to check in on what notifications you have, what things you need to take care of. So it will help you take actions right from the app, so you don't have to worry about going through all of the mess. Okay, so let me quickly take you on a tour of how we designed our app, how we planned it, and how we used Figma and FigJam to make sure that our app um, is both user friendly as well as good looking. Okay, so we started some basic designs within the FigJam. Also, we make a lot of notes. So as you can see, then we started working on this flowchart kind of thing where we uh, thought of how the initial UI is going to look. So we thought of all the basic features that we might be needing. So there will be this login and logger functionality. There will be this post queue where you can simply remove it if you want. There will be an option to compose the post, basically some analytics as well. And the same followed for the Instagram. Discord, we had to think of something else because, as you all know, the functionality is different. Plus, to also explain what all this is about, we have added some tiny notes over here which you can look if you want. So that's how pretty much we did our brainstorming within the Fig Jam. And itself, over here we have created some high fidelity designs to make sure that we are for our app. As you can see, the name automate.social, we have added everything we can think of which will possibly result in some good experience, as well as it's easy to use. So we have the post queue here, the compose feature. We also have a navigation over here, analytics, as we mentioned before. We have Discord moderation features, and coming to the next, we have a profile feature, which where you can basically manage all the apps and you can update your info and things like that. Now, final part, let's go into the prototype itself and see how all the app is coming through and how you can interact with the app. So to make sure that you get, so that you have an idea of how the final app will work like. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is click on get started or click on login. Both will do the same thing. When once you which will ask you about your details, basically prompt you to create an account. If you already have an account, you can click over here, which will open another pop-up which will ask for your previous details, authentication and everything, so that you can log in back to your account. For in case, again, if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and create a new account. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen where you can manage your profile. You can look at some basic detail of your profile. You can look at the apps which are being connected, and you can update the info so that the AI can recommend you some really good post ideas. So coming to the schedule post, over here you can see the post queue, and you can schedule post over here after adding all the information. And once you click on the schedule, you save and schedule, you will be greeted with this message confirming that your post has been successfully scheduled. Then you can just go ahead and look at the analytics, basically explore the application and how it will come up on the final model. You can also look at the Discord notifications you are receiving, feedback or complaint, and you can directly take action from here. You will also have some option to learn about how you can keep your community safe. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.